Good morning, student of class 3. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope all are you fine. Today I am going to discuss about the question answer of first chapter, which is computer system hardware and software. Okay, so let's start. Here is the chapter content, which is computer system, number 2 IPO cycle, number 3 input and output device, number 4 hardware, and number 5 is software. In my first two video I already have discussed about these topics. I hope all you can understood and also write the question answer on your computer copy which I provided to you. Today I am going to discuss about the question answer exercise question answer of this chapter. Okay, before discussing the chapter we can take a quick review of this chapter. Number 1 is IPO. IPO means IPO stands for input, process and output. Number 2 is input, means input the first step of IPO cycle. IPO cycle. Input means give instruction to a computer for a particular task. That means we give some instruction to the computer is called input. Number 2 is process. Process means when we give some instruction to the computer will process the data. This is called processing. Number 3 is output. Output is the final steps in the output cycle. That means when the computer will process the data, then computer will generate a result. That is called output. Next is the computer system. Computer system mainly depends on hardware device and software programs. Okay, to complete a certain task. Hardware includes input device, output device, storage device. Input device, that means input the instruction to the computer using input device like keyboard, mouse, etc. Output device means the computer will generate a result and we show the result on the screen of the monitor. Monitor is a output device. Speaker, we can listen sound from the speaker. Speaker is the output device. And storage device. Storage device means we can store data in a computer, that is called storage device. Storage device means hard disk. Hard disk is the storage device of a computer. Okay, example of a storage device. Then software are two types. Software are two types, mainly application software and system software. System software means the system, without a system software the hardware cannot run. Such system software example is Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And application software is MS Paint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Notepad, WordPad. These are the example of application software. Okay, software includes the program that makes the hardware run. I already told that without a software the hardware cannot run. Okay, next part is processing of instruction given to the computer is performed inside the CPU box. CPU has three different unit. First is logical unit, arithmetical logical unit, second is control unit, third is memory unit. Okay, memory unit third, control unit second, and arithmetical logical unit is first. First of all we need to know what is the process, what is the data processing. That means when we give some instruction to the computer, the data will passes through control unit. Control unit fetch the data to the arithmetical logical unit. Arithmetical logical unit will perform the entire tasks, calculation. Okay, then the arithmetical logical unit passes the data through memory unit. Memory unit will store the data temporarily or sometimes. Okay, this is the main use of arithmetical logical unit, control unit and memory unit. Here are the last 3 points. ALU does all the calculation and computation. Control unit follows the data of instruction. Memory unit temporarily stored the information. Okay, this is the quick review of this chapter. Now we'll go into the next page. Here is the question answer of your book. Number A is identify the picture of device that given below and write the word input and output. Now you can see first thing is monitor. Monitor is a output device. Why is a output device? Because when computer generate a result, we can see it on the monitor screen. Okay, monitor, that's why monitor is a output device. Then mouse and also keyboard. Number 2 is mouse, number 3 is keyboard. These two are input device. Input device means we use these two devices to input some instruction to the computer. Okay. Number 4 is speaker. Speaker means output device. We can listen sound from speaker, okay, as a output. Number 5 is microphone. Microphone is also a input device. We can input our voice into the computer. We use microphone. Okay, this is the first question A. Question number A complete. Next is question number E, page number 15, question number E. Here the some forms, full forms. Number 1 is control unit. Control unit, CU means control unit. Number 2 is memory unit. MU means memory unit. Number 3 is ALU. ALU means arithmetical logical unit. Number 5 is 4 is IPO, input, process and output. Number 5 is CPU, central processing unit. These are the all 5 forms of the following chapter, full forms of following chapter. Okay, so move on to the next page. Now page number 14, fill in the blanks. Number 1 is dash are all the programs inside a computer that makes hardware run. So which part of a computer is used to makes the hardware run? Software. All the software, system software, the program that inside a computer that makes hardware run. So number 1 is software. Number 2 is output. Output is the result we get from the processing of the instruction provided to computer. So number 2 is output. Number 3, CPU is divided into 3 parts, mainly ALU, CU and MU. Okay, CPU divided into 3 parts: ALU, arithmetical logical unit, B, control unit and C, memory unit. Next is dash does all the comprehension on and calculation inside the CPU of a computer, arithmetical logical unit. Number 4 is arithmetical logical unit. Number 5, Neha uses a dash to video call her aunt, who stays in the United States of America. So which hardware is used to shoot a video call? Number 5 answer is webcam. Webcam is used to record a video call, or Neha uses a webcam to video call her aunt, who stays in the United States of America. Number 5 is video webcam. Okay, next is true and false. True and false. Write true, tree for false or A for false for each statement. Number 1 is ALU controls all the follow up instruction. False. All the instruction control control unit, all the instruction control unit control all the instruction flow of instruction. Okay, so this is false. MS Paint is a hardware? No, MS Paint is not a hardware, is false. Okay, MS Paint is a software. Next is light pen is used directly to write on a computer screen. False. Okay, this is false. We cannot write directly on a computer screen. Next is storage device are a part of a hardware device. True, storage device is a part of a hardware device. That means hard disk. Hard disk is also an example of hardware device. Okay, CPU. Next is CPU is a device where all the processing is done. Yes, it is true. Here CPU has divided into 3 parts: ALU, control unit and memory unit. Okay, all the processing is done in the CPU. Okay, this is the true false. So move on to next page. Here are question number 5. Identify and write the missing part of the diagram of the CPU given below. You can see the missing part in your book. Control unit, the middle part ALU, first of all ALU, then control unit, then memory unit. Okay, control unit is missing on your book, so write here control unit. Next is question number D. Answer the following question. Number 1 question is, what does IPO stands for? IPO stands for input, process and output. Okay, so move on to next page. Question number 2 is, what are the two types of software? Give example of each. The two types of software are system software and application software. System software means Windows, Linux, etc. Mac, etc. Application software means MS Paint, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, etc. Number 3 is, what is microphone used for? The microphone used for communicating with people through a computer connected to the internet connection. That means mainly microphone is used to input our voice into the computer. Okay, it can also used to record a person voice and different sounds in the computer. Okay, this is the main uses of a microphone. Number 4 is, name the device that works as a printer and how it differs from a normal printer. Plotter is the device that works like a printer. It functions slower than a normal printer. This is the difference between printer and a plotter. Okay, plotter function slower than the printer, and it is mostly used in flexi printing for banners. That means the plotter used to print out the large pages printout. Okay, plotter is used to print very large size paper. That means very large size. Okay, this is the main difference between printer and plotter. So this is the exercise question answer of the first chapter. All you need to do one thing, that write all question and answer on your computer book, and also read the book carefully for understanding the chapter, better understanding the chapter. And as I told you, I would provide all the question answer on YouTube platform. Just click the link on the description and you will get the PDF of question answer PDF. Okay, then you can copy it on your computer copy one by one, and also learn the question answer. Okay, so in my next video I will start a new chapter, which is computer which is the introduction of Windows. Okay, I will start a new chapter, which is chapter number 2, introduction to Windows. So till then, goodbye, thank you, take care.